Alright, hey guys, so first video. Right now I'm taking advantage of the warm weather to get everything ready for the supposedly giant snowstorm that's coming in a couple of days. I got the go-kart, got a throttle cable back on it. This thing runs nicely. I got this thing. I swapped out tires on the front. This is the plow tractor down here. I put some super wide ag tires on the front. This is a May 1066 I'm building. But dually lock diff. So this thing should be a pretty good pulling tractor and plow tractor and whatnot. And then in here, we got the loader tractor and the 340. I was trying to need to put a new hydraulic filter in this. Excuse the mess in here, it's really bad. But next update, I should have the hydraulic filter back in this. Basically, if you don't get the right hydraulic filter from Branson, what these hydraulic filters do is they cavitate and they get tons of air in there, and the hydraulics don't work. So I'm gonna put the new filter in that, get oil in this, and then I'll get back to you guys. One thing I also recommend for oil changes and stuff like this with hydraulics, just get yourself one of these oil tractor fluid pumps. They work great. And you just slowly pump the oil in. Just keep going until you're full. And what I do is I'll pump the pump out a bunch of times once I'm done, because there's still going to be fluid inside of it. So I'll pump it a bunch of times, and then I put rags in the bottom here and then in the nozzle, and I just hang it up on the wall, and then it's good. But this goes pretty fast once it primes the pump and stuff. And then also you don't have to carry the bucket the whole time. So that's just a preference for me. I like using this way. You can also just dump the bucket in, but yeah. All right, warming up the glow plugs. Ain't having it. Let's get some of that go-go juice. 50% ether. That should fire off after that. Bet you this battery's toasted though. That's all good. That seems like enough. Gonna close the hood up. Now it should go. Good. None of my gauges besides my tack work, so just gonna let it warm up a little bit before I try to do anything with it. Oh yeah, and then since when we bought this tractor, it had hydraulic problems, like the hydraulics wouldn't work. What I do is, so they don't drop anymore, I put blocks under it while I'm testing, so that if it does want to drop, it can only go to those blocks and no farther. Would you look at that? I can't get it to unlock to go to curl or anything, but it works.
Just a bunch of square cold things.